Yeah, hello student. This is the second part of concept of surds. Today I am going to explain the concept of rationalizing factor and its problems. Before that, I want to explain some problems here. So the problem one saying that write down entire form, means in single surd form you want to write 3 by square root of 12. 3 can be written as square root of 9 by square root of 12. This is square root of 9 by 12. This is the answer for the first problem. Second problem. So 3x whole square root over into root over 2y. That is square root 9x square into 2y. Or in other words, I can say that 18x square y. So third one, 20 by 4th root of 1250. Same as 20 power 4, 4th root of 20 power 4 by 4th root of 1250, which is same as 4th root of 20 power 4 by 1250. Sometimes we need to simplify it. So we can simplify. So third problem, write down the following surds as entire surd, same model. Root over 2 into root over 7 equal to root 2 square into root 7, that is root over 2 square into 7, that is root over 4 into 7, root over 28. Similar way you can complete the remaining problems. Okay. Write down the following surds into simplest form. Simplest form, actually they are given in pure surd, you can convert them into mixed surd, that is the meaning of the problem. Root over 6, 576. Okay, inside you want to write 576 as a into b form, so that a is equal to some rational power 2, because it is third of order 2. So I want to write here 567 divided by 56, 7, I think divided by 7 only. 7 8s are, 7 1s are. Okay. So what I can say, this is nothing but 9 square into 7, that is 9 into root 7. So this is actually, this is a pure, now this is mixed. Okay, what the problem saying that convert pure surds into mixed surds. Okay, leave it. Cube root of 250. What is the meaning of that? Inside value should be written as something power 3 into something. So 250 can be written as 25 into 10, or 5 square into 5 into 2, or 5 cube into 2 I can write, that is 5 cube into 2 I can write, that is cube root of 5 cube into cube root of 2, that is 5 into cube root of 2. Now this become mixed surd. Similar way you convert 768 also. So very important results nana these are. Show that root a comma root b are two surds, then there exists no rational number c such that root over a equal to c plus root over b. So what this saying that a surd can't be equal to a rational number plus a surd, plus or minus a surd. That should prove none actually. Here surd means second order surd is taken for convenience. Okay, actual meaning of this is surd can't written as a rational number plus or minus a surd. You can't write. Okay, so that we should prove now. I am using indirect method of proof. Indirect method of proof. Actually, what we should do? Root a can't be written in the form of c plus root b. Let us assume that you can write and proceed. This is called indirect method of proof. I am using indirect method of proof. What I can say, let root a equal to c plus root b. Sorry, root b. Root a, root b are surds and c is a rational number here. Clearly given, no need to write again. Okay. Root a and root b are surds, nana. C is a rational number. Actually, a rational number can't written in the form c plus root b. But as an assumption, let us assume, or you can write anyway. Indirect method of proof. We can prove this. this by using indirect method of proof. Method of proof. Okay. So let us assume root b equal to c plus root d. SBS, squaring another side, root a whole square equal to c plus root d whole square. That is equal a square, sorry, a only, I forgot, a equal to c square plus d plus 2c root d. Okay. I will write here. Yeah, what happened that a minus c square minus d equal to 2c root d. Root b, that one, not d. I am writing d, a, b, c. Okay, no problem. Here b means here also b. Here b, here b. Okay. So a minus c square minus b by 2c equal to root b, which is impossible because LHS is an irrational number, RH is a rational number, means what you assume that is wrong. I will write that term here. A square, a minus c square minus b by 2c equal to root b. LHS is rational, RHS is irrational, LHS not equal to RHS. Rational number never equal to irrational number. What is the meaning of that? Therefore, what we assume that is wrong. Our assumption wrong. So, our assumption that root a equal to c plus root b is wrong. Okay, means a surd can't written in the form of a rational number plus another surd. Okay, I hope you people understood. Next theorem, very important. After completion of, okay, I want to read out first of all. Show that a plus root b surd equal to c plus root d, then automatically a should be equal to c and root b equal to root d. What this theorem is saying that if a surd a plus root b equal to a surd c plus root d, directly you can say that a equal to c and root b equal to root d. That you can say that comparing rational and irrational parts on either side. Comparing rational and irrational parts on either side means a equal to c and root b equal to root d. That says theorem number 1. Okay. Yeah. So, given a plus root b equal to c plus root d, required to prove, what should prove, Nana? A equal to c, okay, and root b equal to root d. After completion of this, what I can say at conclusion? Two surds are equal. Now I can compare the rational parts and I can compare the irrational parts. Okay. Here also I am using indirect method of proof. Okay. We can use indirect method of proof. Method of proof. Okay, what actually we want to prove? A equal to c. Indirect method of proof is we will assume that a is not equal to c and we will proceed. After applying some logical steps on that, at a stage you get a wrong conclusion or you get a statement which is mathematically wrong, and that stage you conclude that what we assumed is wrong, means what is given data is correct. This is called indirect method of proof. Once again, listen students, actually you want to prove that a equal to c. So what happens in indirect method of proof? We will assume that a is not equal to c. Apply some logical steps on this. At a stage you get a statement which is mathematically wrong. On that stage Another step we will conclude that what I assumed, what we assumed is wrong. What we assumed A is not equal to C, that is wrong. Means automatically what is that? A equal to C only. So this is called indirect method of proof. Okay. Let A is not equal to C. If A is not equal to C, what is the meaning of that? A equal to something into C, or A equal to something plus C, or A equal to something minus C. Okay. Or A equal to something by C, or A equal to something into C, like that. So let implies A equal to some C plus X, or C minus X, or C by X, or C power X, whatever it may be, for some non-zero rational X. Okay. I will substitute this in this equation. A plus root B equal to C plus root D only. Instead of here, now I can write C plus X plus root B equal to C plus root D. Okay. So next page I will write students, what happened actually here? CC get cancelled. So what we will get? X plus root B equal to root D. Again, this is wrong only, no? In previous theorem we proved that a third can't be equal to a rational number, but a third. I can prove it again. Yeah, x square plus b plus 2x root b equal to d, or 2x root b equal to d minus x square minus b, or root b equal to d minus x square minus b by 2x. LHS is irrational. Okay, IRR. Okay, RHS is a rational. Okay, LHS never equal to RHS now, because irrational never equal to rational number. What is the meaning of that? What we assumed, that is wrong. That I will write. Okay, that I will write in next page. That is our assumption. Wrong. That is A is not equal to C was wrong, is wrong. Therefore, A measure should equal to C. Okay. Okay. Now, A plus root B equal to C. Sorry. A plus root B equal to C plus root D. Then I can cancel these two, because I already proved that A equal to C. Then what will get? Nana, root B equal to root D. Final conclusion: if A plus root B equal to C plus root D, then what is conclusion? A equal to C and root B equal to root D. Actually, what should write here? If two thirds are equal, we can compare the rational parts and irrational parts. Okay, students. 3 plus root x equal to some y plus root 3. Then find x and y values. Directly I can say that y equal to 3 and I can say x equal to 3. Okay. Yeah, this is the concept for thirds. Very, very, very important concept, Nana. Very, very important concept, Nana. This one, very, very important. A rationalizing factor. A rationalizing factor. So I want to explain what is the meaning of this rationalizing factor. A surd is multiplied with another surd so that the result is rational number. Actually, surd and surd. Surd is irrational number only. These are another surd as irrational. A surd, given surd is multiplied with another surd so that the product is rational number. What you multiplied, that is called rationalizing factor of given surd. This is called RF of the given rationalizing factor of given surd. How to find rationalizing factor of a surd and what are the properties? What is the meaning of simplified or rationalizing factor? That all I will going to explain now. Listen students, a surd is multiplied by another surd so that the product is rational number. Then this is called the RF of this, or this is called the RF of this surd. Okay, I will write here clearly. For example, Nana, X is a surd. If I multiplied this surd with another surd Y, if I got a rational number, then I can say that Y is the RF of X or X is the RF of Y. Okay, Y is called RF of X or X is the RF of Y. Through example I will explain. Students, listen Nana. For example, root 2 given. Okay, what we should multiply to root 2 get a rational number? That is interesting. What I am saying, if you multiply with another root 2, assume that another root 2. Root 2 into root 2, 2 only, now you know that. Which is rational number? What is the meaning of that? Root 2 is a rationalizing factor of root 2. That I can write. Root 2 is, A I am writing, that is important word, A RF of root 2. One will say, why you want to multiply with the root 2 only? One boy will say, wait, I will color, use another color. One will say that if root 2 is multiplied with 3 into root 2, sir, what happens? Root 2, 2, 3 into 2, 6 rational number only. What is the meaning of that? This is also RF only for root 2. That I will write. 3 into root 2 is also A RF of root 2. What is the meaning of? Another student saying that, sir, if you multiply root 2 with 7 by 9 into root 2, the result is what known as 1 by 9 into 2 only. This is also rational number. This is another rationalizing factor. What I can say, 7 by 9 into root 2 is also a RF of root 2. What is the meaning of that? What is the meaning of that? Rationalizing factors are infinite for a given surd. This is surd. What are the RFs? Means these all are RFs only, rationalizing factors. These all are rationalizing factors only. So for a surd, rationalizing factors are infinite. One more important thing, student. Among all these, this is called smallest one. That is called simplest RF. Simplest RF. So in a problem, find RF means you need to find simplest RF only. Because RF means there exists infinitely many RF. No? Somebody will ask question, find RF of root 2. Students give several answers. Which is correct? All are correct. But if I gave question as find simplest RF means you should write root 2 only. I hope people understood. Okay, for a given surd, RF exists. That RF need not be unique. So for any number, rationalizing factors are infinite. Okay, among all, smaller one is called simplest RF. Okay. Students, very important concept, RF concept. Square root means second ordered. Third is given 7. Find its RF. Directly I can directly square root 7 only. Square root 7 into root square root 7 only, no? How can you say 7? I will show you. 7 power 1 by 2 into 7 power 1 by 2, bases are equal, power should be added, 7 power 1, which is rational number. Now that's why I am saying that this is a RF of this. Students listen Nana. A rational number power integral exponent, that rational number has an exponent, then I can say that is a rational number. Already A is a rational number, power some natural number, now I can say that is a rational number only. 3 is there, 3 power 1 by 2 not a rational number Nana, this is not a rational number. 3 power 2 rational number, means 3 a rational number power exponent is natural number, so what you can say that number is a rational number. Or sometimes integer also, negative integer also rational number only, 3 power minus 2, that is 1 by 9, rational number only. What I am trying to explain, if a rational number, A is a rational number, power some x is there, if x is an integer, now directly I can say that this is a rational number, that is important thing, that I will write. Yeah, A power x is a rational. If A is rational and x belongs to integer, very important, very important. Okay, now I will ask a question to a student. What is the RF of cube root of 3? Most of the students will confuse and they will say that cube root of 3 is its RF. They will write the RF of cube root of 3 is cube root of 3. But I can say your answer is wrong. I can say it's wrong. Why? I will show you. If this is the RF of this, the product should be rational number only. Na? I will show you. This is 3 power 1 by 3. This is also 3 power 1 by 3. Bases are equal, first should be added here. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. That is 3 power 2 by 3. 3 by 2 by 3 not rational, no? Not a rational. Irrational. See, a rational power integer you want, then only this total is rational number. But 2 by 3, no, that is not a integer. No, what I can say, cube root of 9 actually, that one, cube root of 9, which is not a rational number. So, students, what gave the answer is wrong. Why they gave like that? They confused. Root 2 I given in the previous example. Find RF of root 2 means, why got root 2? We got root 2. I proved that. Why? 2 power 1 by 2 plus 2 power 1 by 2 into equal to 2 power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. What happened? 2 power 2 by 2. This is becoming a integer, no? That's a totally rational number. But what happened after adding the exponents? I am getting 2 by 3, which is not an integer. That's why resulting number is not a rational number. Here okay. Second order directly square root of A given. Directly can say that square root of A only is one of the RF. But here you can't say cube root of 3 given. We can't say that cube root of 3 is a RF of that. Or cube root of 2 given. Directly can't say that cube root of 2 is RF of that. You won't get a rational number, the product. But what is the RF of cube root of 3 or cube root of 2? How to find? I will explain you. Okay. I hope you people understood. No? Here square root of 2 into square root of 2 rational number only. Square root of 3 into square root of 3 rational number only. That's why I can say that this is square root. Square root of 3 into square root of 3 rational number only. I can say this is the RF of this, this is the RF of this. But cube root of 2 I will take. I don't want to confuse you, no problem. Cube root of 2 into cube 2 power 2 by 3, 2 power 2 by 3. Yeah, that is 2 power 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3, that is 2 power 2 by 3, which is not an integer, that's why this is not a rational number. So, what is the RF of cube root of 2? How to find? I will explain now clearly. Okay, now the question is, find RF of cube root of 2. What is our procedure, Nana? This is a surd. We want to find out a surd here so that the result is rational number. Such a way that you want to find the question mark. That is called its RF. Listen. Given surd is equal to 2 power 1 by 3. Let the RF of 2 power 1 by 3 be 2 power x by 3. Such x value I want. Interesting step now. Interesting step. 2 power 1 by 3 given. We want to find its RF. RF should have the form 2 power x by 3 only. I will show you. For example, somebody will ask, find the nth root of a. RF of nth root of a. Actually, nth root of a means a power 1 by n. Your RF should have the form a power x by n only. Such x value and find. Okay, that I will explain here. Students, listen. Yeah, this is my RF. What is the meaning of that? 2 power 1 by 3 into 2 power x by 3 should be rational. What is my assumption? 2 power x by 3 is a RF. Of such x value and find. Okay, the basis factor should be added. 2 power 1 by 3 plus x by 3 is rational. Okay, that I will write in next page. 2 power 1 plus x by 3 is rational. When this happens, exponent should be integer, no? 1 plus x by 3 must an integer. Tell me what values of x this becomes integer. Integer, no? Means 1 plus x should be a multiple of 3. 1 plus x should be a multiple of 3. So if x is, I will write possible x values. Directly I will write that. That's a big problem. Possible x values are, see, 2 I can take, no? 2 plus 1, 3 by 3, integer only, no? Next 5 I can take, 5 plus 1, 6 by 3, integer only, no? So what I can, next 9 I want, 9 or 8, x I can take as 8, observe difference is 3, no? Next 11, so on, infinitely many numbers are existing. Okay, if x is 2, then RF is actually 2 power x by 2 by 3. This is RF only. If x is 2, what is my RF, Nana? Obviously understood, no? Here, this is an integer, then automatically this becomes rational number only. Put x equal to 2, Nana. Here, 2 plus 1, 3 by 3, 1, 2 by 1, 2 power 1, rational number only. What I can say, if x is taken as 2, what we will get to this is RF only. This one is RF only. What I can say, 2 power 2 by 3 is RF. 2 power 2 by 3, one of the RF. Okay, if you any confusion, I will show you. 1 by 3 should be over 2 power 2 by 3. 2 power 1 plus 2 by 3, that is 1, 2, that is a rational number only. Now what I can say, for the number 2 power 1 by 3, this is one of the RF. 2 power 2 by 3 is one of the RF. So if x is taken as 5, then RF becomes 2 power 5 by 3. If x is taken as 8, 2 power 8 by 3, those all are RFs only. Okay, or another words I can say that cube root of 4 I can write this one. This I can write cube root of 32 I can say like that. These all are RFs only. Okay, so that I will write in next page. Therefore, cube root of 4, comma cube root of 52, comma cube root of 3 power 2, no, that one 2, sorry 2, not 3, but 2 power. 2 power, what happened, 5 after 2 power 5 after 2 power 8. These all are RFs only. RFs are cube root of 2. Okay. But one more thing, student. For example, this is RF. Cube root of 4 is RF. 2 into cube root of 4 also RF only. 7 into cube root of 4 is RF only. 1 by 2 into cube root of 4 also RF only. Understood? 2 into cube root of 4 multiplied with cube root of 2. Again you get another rational number only. So 2 into cube root of 8 that is 2 into 2, that is equal to 4 only. What is the meaning of that? If this is RF, all rational multiples of cube root of 4 also another RF only. If this is RF, all rational multiples of cube root of 52, 32 that one, not 52. 32 also RF only. What is the meaning of that? If cube root of 32 is RF, 2 into cube root of 32 is another RF, 7 into cube root of 32 is another RF. Means what is the meaning of that? RFs of asserts are infinitely many. Among all, smallest one is taken as simplest RF. So what is my answer? I can say this is the simplest RF. Simplest RF. Simplest RF of cube root of 2 is cube root of 4. This is my answer. Students, listen. The question is, find the RF of cube root of 2. Find the RF of 2 power 1 by 3. What I assumed the RF is nothing but 2 power x by 3. Such x value I will find. So if this is the RF, means of 2 power 1 by 3, the product should be rational number only. Rational. Product rational. So 2 power 1 plus x by 3 is rational, means this number, this should be an integer, nana. Must an integer. So this should be an integer, means 1 plus x should be a multiple of 3. Such x values one find. X is equal to 2, x equal to 5, x equal to so on. X equal to 2, it becomes rational number only. Means what is the meaning of that? In 2 power x by 3 is taken as a RF. Instead of x you write 2, what you will get? This is RF. 2 power 5 by 3, this is RF. Like that you get infinitely many RFs that I wrote here. X is equal to 2, this is the RF. X equal to 5, this is the RF. So like that you get infinitely many. So these are RF. Among these, this is smallest one. This is called simplest RF. One thing. One more thing is, if this is RF, all rational multiples of that also RF only. What is the meaning of that? So 1 by 2 into cube root of 4 is RF only. 7 by 2 into cube root of 4 is RF only. 9 into cube root of 4 is RF only. What is the meaning of that? RFs of a sort are infinitely many. Okay, I hope you have understood. So rationalizing factor of a surd is not unique. A surd may have infinitely number of rationalizing factors. So another interesting question. Find the RF of cube root of 16. 16 power 1 by 3. What is assumption? Assume that that 16 power x by 3 is a RF. What is the meaning of that? 16 power 1 by 3 into 16 power x by 3 equal to rational. 16 power 1 plus x by 3 is a rational. Simplest, no, I just now explained how to find x, that is not big issue. X is 2, this is the one of the integer. X is 5, integer only. If x is 2, what is the RF? 16 power 2 by 3 is one of the RF. Obviously this is answer correct only, but this is not simplest RF. That is interesting thing. Why I will explain. Okay, Nana. Hey, 16 power 1 plus x by 3 is a rational number. There exists infinitely many x. One of the x is 2. Then 16 power 2 by 3 is a RF. 16 5 by 3 is a RF. 16 power 8 by 3 is a RF. So on, infinitely many exist. Here we will get one confusion, wrong conclusion, that they will say that this is the simplest RF, but that not correct. Than this, one more simplest RF exists, that I will show you. First of all, we want to write the given radicand in simplest form. If not, the radical is not converted in simplest form, you will get RFs only, but this is, we will get RF only. Among that, smaller one is not taken as simplest RF. So this is one of the RF only, but not simplest RF. How to find simplest RF? First of all, in given problem, radicand should be simplified. That I will show you. Okay, now I will show you how to find the actual simplest RF. What you got that RF only, Nana? but that is not called simplest RF. My question is find the RF means okay. If I write question as find the simplest RF, that is not right answer. Now I will change the question. Find the simplest. Okay, now I will explain students how to find 16 power 1 by 3. First of all, write the radicand into in simplest form 2 power 4, that one actually 1 by 3, that is equal 2 power 4 by 3. Now let the required RF be 2 power x by 3, 2 power x by 3, that is 2 power 4 by 3 should multiplied with 2 power x by 3, we should get rational number, that is 2 power, directly I want to write 4 plus x by 2, 3 should be a rational number. I will write in next page. Two power 4 plus x by 3 is rational. When this happens, 4 plus x by 3 is an integer. When this happens, your 4 plus x should be a multiple of 3. Possible x values are, what should write now? Multiple of 3 means 2 I can write, x equal to 2 I can write, 4 plus 2 6 only. Okay, after 6 after 9 should get, 9 means x equal 5, so on. Therefore the RF I can write R, where is that, 2 power what is that, x by 3, no, what is that, x by 3, okay, x by 3 on for us, that means 2 power 2 by 3 comma 2 power 5 by 3, these all are RFs. Okay, simplest means 2 power 2 by 3, therefore simplest RF is 2 power 2 by 3, that is equal 4th root of 3. So in this problem also got 4th root of 3. This is the simplest RF of cube root of 16. Yeah, another important result, students, very important, very important. RF of, now what I explained is for RF for only monomial surds. The concept is totally for monomial surds nana here. So if a binomial surd is given, how to find RF, that is very important and difficult. If surd is binomial, okay, manageable. If surd is trinomial, okay, very difficult to find its RF. Okay, now I want to explain, I am going to explain how to find RF for binomial surds. Okay, interesting. Root over A plus root over B given. RF of root over A plus root over B is obviously root over A minus root over B only. RF means what? The product should be a rational number only. Multiply them. A plus B, A minus B, A minus B. That is rational number only. That's why now onwards RF of root A plus root B treated as root A plus root B, or RF of root A minus root B treated as root A plus root B only. Okay, easy. What I am trying to explain, finding RF of binomial surds. Sometimes, okay, again I will write, okay, I will write in next page clearly. RF of square root of x plus square root of y is square root of x minus square root of y only. Obviously product only, not I am going to say conjugate, not conjugate surds, that is different concept. RF is different concept. So the product should be rational number, then A and B equal to rational number, then A and B are said to be RF to each other. That's all. I am not using concept of conjugate. That is different concept. For you want to use concept of conjugate, the addition and product should be rational number. Here only product. Okay. So what I can say, RF of root x plus root y is this, or RF of root x minus root y is root x plus root y only. Here also again students will confuse. Sometimes they will. I will ask a question. Find RF of cubed root of x plus cubed root of y. Again they will confuse and they will say the answer as, sir, cubed root of x plus cubed root of y. RF is cubed root of x minus cubed root of y. Again its answer is wrong. Why? If you multiply these two, what happened? A plus b, a minus b, a square cubed root of x whole square minus cubed root of y whole square. This is nothing but x power 2 by 3. This is y power 2 by 3. We can't say this is the rational number. No, we can't say that this is rational and this is rational. If this is alone rational, this is irrational, the difference is rational only. But you can't say that x power 2 by 3 is a rational number, because this is not integer. What is the meaning of that? What the student gave the answer is wrong. Okay, for this example, square root of x plus square root of y given, what is the RF of square root of x plus square root of y? We can simply consider square root of x minus square root of y. But my question is cube root of x plus cube root of y. For this, most of the students will give, this is the answer for that. They will say that this is the RF. So what I proved here, that is not RF, because the product is not a rational number. But how to find RF of third cube root of x plus cube root of y, that I will explain. Sometimes they will ask fourth root of x plus fourth root of y, what is the RF? Again sometimes they will make mistakes. Fourth root of x minus fourth root of y, that is not correct. Okay, now I will find how to find the RF for third of the form nth root a minus nth root b. Finding RF of third of the form nth root a minus nth root b, or nth root of a plus nth root of b. Okay, or I will write that also. Nth root of a minus nth root of b. In previous example, a table here, first two, square root, order is 2 only, n is 2 only, n is 3, 4, 5, 6, how to find? Very difficult. Okay, slowly I will find one by one. Nana, observe here. First one is cube root of a plus cube root of b given. I want to find RF. Observe students, interesting thing. Cube root of a plus cube root of b should be multiplied by something to get a rational number. What you are multiplying, that is said to be the RF of this. But how to identify, how to find the bracket, that is important thing. I will show you how to find out. Student, listen here. What are a and b? Here a and b are rational numbers only. A is rational number, b is rational number only. Cube root of a is not a rational number here, no? Cube root of b is not a rational number. A and b are rational numbers only, but cube root of a is not a rational number, cube root of b is not a rational number. Now what I am saying, cube root of a means I can say that a power 1 by 3 actually. A power 1 by 3 cube how much nana? A only na? Which is rational number only na? Means what happened? If a power 1 by 3 raised to power 3, then what will get? You get a rational number only. B power 1 by 3 is not a rational number, but b power 1 by 3 whole power 1 by 3 is rational number only. One thing. Okay, student. Fourth root of a is not a rational number, or a power 1 by 4 not a rational number. A power 1 by 4 power 4 is a rational number, power 8 is a rational number, power 12 is a rational number. Okay. Yeah, what I am trying to explain, students, listen here. Important. A power 1 by 3 plus b power 1 by 3 should multiply with something to get a rational number. What is my assumption? A power 1 by 3 plus b power 1 by 3 is multiplied by something. If you got this 1 by 3 cube, plus b power 1 by 3 cube. This is rational number only, no? A plus b only. We are to get a plus b rational number. So indirectly what I am asking, this is taken as x, this is taken as y. X plus y is multiplied by what to get x cube plus y cube? Indirectly. Students listen, once again I will explain. Sometimes students will confuse. A power 1 by 3 plus b power 1 by 3 is multiplied by something, I don't know what is that. But if I got, after multiplying that, if I got a power 1 by 3 cube plus b power 1 by 3 cube. So what happened? A power 1 by 3 cube is a only, b power 1 by 3 cube is b only. A power 1 by 3 plus b power 1 by 3 is multiplied by something. If I got a plus b, then what I can say? This is the RF of this only. So my convenience, I am taking this as the x, I am taking this as the y. X plus y multiplied by something, then to get, if I get x cube plus y cube, then what I can say? This is RF only, no? X plus y is given, this is multiplied with something to get x cube plus y cube. Then this is RF of this only. What is this? What should multiply to x plus y to get x cube plus y cube? A cube plus b cube form, nana. A plus b of a square minus ab plus b square only. What is the meaning of that? You should multiply with x square minus xy plus y square. So this is the RF of this. If x plus y is a third, and x cube plus y cube is a rational number. So if x plus y is multiplied with x square minus xy plus y square, then we will get x cube plus y cube. X cube is a third rational number, y cube is a rational number, the summation rational number. Means what I can say here? What should multiply? X means a power 1 by 3. 1 minute. Here x means a power 1 by 3. A power 1 by 3 square minus xy means a power 1 by 3 into b power 1 by 3 plus b power 1 by 3 square. I can say this is my required RF. Clearly I will explain, now. My question is, a power 1 by 3 plus b power 1 by 3 should multiply with something to get a rational number. That is the question. What I am saying here, we should multiply with a power 1 by 3 square minus a power 1 by 3 into b power 1 by 3 plus b power 2 by 1 by 3 square. Then only we will get a rational number. How can you say? Feel this is x, this is a y. X plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. What will we get? X cube means a power 1 by 3 cube plus b power 1 by 3 cube. A power 1 by 3 cube is a only, that b only, a plus b rational number only. Now what I can say? This is the RF of this, or this is the RF of this. That I will write clearly next page. Okay. So final conclusion, a power 1 by 3 given plus b power 1 by 3 given. What is the RF of this? Now just after completion of that explanation, you people can say that a power 1 by 3 square minus a power 1 by 3 into b power 1 by 3 plus b power 1 by 3 square. This is the RF, because the product becomes a plus b only. Now what I can say? Therefore RF of cube root of a plus cube root of b is this a power 2 by 3, that one actually. Cube root of a square only, that one. Cube root of a square minus cube root of ab plus cube root of b square. Very, 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 very important. Sometimes they will ask the question, a cube root of 3 plus cube root of 2, what is the RF of this? The RF of I am not saying simplest, RF. So the RF of this is, directly I can write the answer directly. So what I can say, cube root of 3 square minus cube root of 3 into cube root of 2 plus cube root of 2 square. This is the RF only. Or another is cube root of 9 minus cube root of 6 into plus cube root of 4. This is my RF. this is the RF of this or this is the RF of this. Very important concept, Nana. One thing. For example, here minus is given, automatically this becomes the RF. A minus B should multiply with A square plus AB plus B square to get A cube minus B cube. I hope you people understood the concept of RF. For third of the form n through dA plus n through dB, but n is taken as 3. Next class I will explain how if n is taken as 4 or n is taken as 5, how to find its RF. See here, clearly given here.